Where to Stay in Hong Kong Part 1. Located sa Qingyi, malapit sa Hong Kong Disneyland, Ngongping Cable Car, Citygate Outlets, and HZMB bus papuntang Macau, this is Rambler Oasis Hotel. The room itself was simple, maliit ang space pero okay na for Hong Kong standard. May comfy bed, TV, malamig na split type aircon, electric kettle, tea, mini ref. Don't forget to bring your own adapter and extension. Mabilis din ang Wi-Fi connection dito. Kung kailangan ng ironing board and flat iron, pwede i-request sa housekeeping. Everyday din sila naglilinis kaya okay na okay. Ang ganda din ng view namin dito sa room. Okay din ang toilet and bath area. Maliit lang pero serves its purpose. Malakas ang water pressure. Walang bidet. May 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. No free toiletries and free bottled water provided. Since April 2024, nag-strict na ang Hong Kong sa single use ng plastic pero pwede mag-avail sa check-in counter with payment. Ang spacious din ng lobby. Open 24 hours ang front desk plus no security deposit. Pwede mag-iwan ng luggage before check-in and after check-out. May malapit na 7-Eleven, Cafe de Coral, and Park and Shop. And by the way guys, nabook naman siya sa Klook for 2,500 pesos per night. Hindi na siya masakit sa bulsa. Plus use my code MyronKlook to get 5% off. May minibus din na malapit papuntang MTR station para makapunta sa famous tourist spots. Pros and cons tayo. Unahin natin ng pros. Since ang itinerary natin ay 2 days Disneyland, Ngongping Cable Car, Citygate Outlets, and isang araw na day tour sa city, kaya in terms of location, okay siya sa amin. And affordable na rin for 2,000 pesos per night. Ang disadvantage naman nitong hotel ay malayo sa city center, pero accessible naman once nasa MTR Qingyi Station na kayo. For your Hong Kong and Macau trip, don't forget to use my code para maka-discount. Follow for more videos. Bye!